China, which is currently reeling under the sudden surge of COVID-19 virus, has opened its border for travels, sending the rest of the world in a tizzy. The United States of America is the latest country that has put restrictions on the people who are coming from China. According to the latest restrictions, which will come into place from January 5th, 2023, all travelers to the United States from China will be required to take a COVID-19 test no more than 2 days before the travel and provide a negative test before boarding their flight. The testing applies for anyone 2 years and older. Travelers coming directly from China or who were in the country for 10 days before their departure to the United States will have to show either a negative PCR or antigen test for the coronavirus. The requirement applies to all the passengers regardless of nationality or vaccination status and will go into effect from January 5th at 12:01 a.m. New York time. Passengers who tested positive more than 10 days before traveling can provide documentation and recovery from COVID in lieu of a negative test result. Airlines will need to confirm the negative COVID test or documentation of recovery prior to boarding the flight to the United States. The requirement also applies to the travelers from Hong Kong and Macau.